Federation. We are a group of labor unions coming from different industries, working together with one goal: to uplift workers' lives, protect their rights, and promote fairness in every workplace.
Good day, I'm Aisa Pipito, the President of Philippine Agricultural Workers Union.
And I'm Jubel Palisok, the President of Nova Workers Collective Union.
I'm Forger Stephanie Ann, the President of Minimum Wage of Filipino Workers Union.
I am Bartansila JP, President of Filipino Labor Rights Union.
And I'm Rontalo Raniel, the President of the Libre Rider Union.
Once again, I'm Aisa Pipito and I am grateful to serve as the elected President of our Federation.
CBA Purpose, a collective bargaining agreement or CBA is a negotiated agreement that sets the standards for wage, benefits, and working conditions between employees and employers.
Advantage: through a CBA, workers are given fair compensation, better job stability, safer workplace, and protection from unjust treatment.
Methods or process. Creating a CBA begins with open discussion between the union and management. Union representatives speak for the workers' needs. The proposed agreement is then reviewed and voted on the members. Once approved, it is finalized, applied in the worker, and updated when necessary.
Mission. Our mission is to bring workers together across different sectors and strengthen their voice in achieving fair treatment and equal opportunities.
Vision. We look forward to a future where every worker is valued, protected, and empowered in their workplace.
Our logo reflects the diversity and unity within our federation. The link design shows cooperation across industry. The flame in the center represents guide and protections. Each colored hand stands for a sector. Blue symbolizes technology and stability. Green stands for worker welfare, and orange represents energy and logistics. Yellow highlights education, and gray reflect industrial worker and supply chain. Together, the five hands represents our unions and united under one federation.
One voice, one purpose, one federation.
We are the United Workers Advancement Federation.
Thank you.